Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Valorant. You are not allowed to download this content at this time. Copy URL from description and paste it into browser search bar. Sorry, page not found, error displayed. Click More Tools. Click Extension. Enable any VPN proxy. Click VPN. Change any location. VPN proxy connected. Simply reload download page. Click download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.